We just did a serialization and deserialization using GSON API. Now consider how can we work with date field, as part of the serialization and deserialization. Good. Go to the customer class. Now we can see that in the customer class we have only two variables available. I'm going to add one more field called private date field customer DOB. Why? I'm going to get this value date customer DOB, this dot customer DOB equal to customer DOB. Let me update the toString accordingly. So I'm going to regenerate it since we added the new field. toString. Great. So now we just added new field called customer DOB, and then we updated the toString. So go to the main method. Now you have to feed this field, right? I'm going to say new date. So this should from java.little package. So we are passing the date. So that's nothing but a customer date of birth. So now I want to serialize this. Let me delete the deserialization code as of now. Let me run this. So you can see here we go. You can see the output is, let me maximize this. You can see the new output is added. So the field is added to what the output. So now if you want to customize this date format, for example, I'm not fine with this date format. I want some other date format to be added as part of the serialization. In the sense, you have to build a JSON object based on GSON builder. So GB equal to new JSON builder, right? So now here, instead of creating the new JSON, I'm going to create the JSON object using the JSON builder create method. So here I'm going to add gb.set date format. Here you can see there is a method called set date format which takes string as an argument. In the string you can specify what is the pattern that you are looking, right? I'm going to say I want my date format, all my date field, right? Whenever I do the serialization, I want this format to be applied. dd mmyy, right? Let me save this and run this example. We'll see what is going to happen. Here we go. So if you look at it, so here whatever date format we mentioned in the JSON builder, that JSON date format actually applied during the serialization, right? So this is how you can actually achieve any date field with what? This is how you can apply any date format for any date field as part of the serialization.